name of federal government in Aroira. Or we will not say minister in Aroira. What I know Jesus, I cannot do easy. If you build a house there now, in the next 2 years, it may turn to billions. Because it's a big city. We can never sell the land one kobo. Highest, I go hanging with over. Look at the TV. Look at the Ngor-Okpala. Just lay your TV and everywhere, the foundation everywhere. It will be the biggest to buy in Igbo land. I had a second what I call here. I made a how we got second with go for he will support on the road. And he are a Zionite. You must be a Zionite. So that we can have many people that will lodge there. Or you can have investment. Each or today, money when the capacity need when they go. You meet the Zion Lego to me, Bahano. Head their number, God bless you. Kehona and the Madonobo, one of the building. And it's somebody who promised to build grotto. Chukwugozie. God bless you, protect you.